Hello, start by creating a new REPL. Now I am going to write some code for an example. Yours would be the code you want to protect. As you can see, the code output 71. Now copy the code. Now go to base64encode.org, I will leave it in the description.
Make sure you are on the encode option at the top and paste your copied code into the input box, then copy the outputted encoded code.
Now select the secret option from the bottom left and press New Secret. I will be using secret_env as the name and paste your base64 encoded code into the value. Now delete your code from the IDE and write the following. Now when I run the code again, it outputs 71. It's executing the base64 code from our secret. Thank you for watching. Please consider liking the video and leaving a sub.